How to add songs to your library on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to your Spotify library quickly and easily. Whether you are new to Spotify or just looking for some tips, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Spotify app and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you have entered the Spotify, simply hover to the song that you want to add to library. And once you have found the list of songs or any specific songs that you want to add to library, you need to simply tap on the plus button on the side of the music. Now tap on save button and it will be added to your library. And that's it. Now you know how you can add songs to your library. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.